Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Julie, and today I'm back with another video. So as y'all can tell from today's title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the overnight heatless blowout curls. So I've been starting to do them more often now because your girl right now is on her healthy hair journey. At the beginning of this year, I dyed my hair green. I had it for like a month or so, and the green didn't like stay on my hair good. The color was just like fading away, and it was this turning colors that I didn't like. So I recently just changed my hair to this brown color, like this dark chocolate brown color, and so far I'm in love with this color. It's just like, you know, something simple, because I didn't want to go back to black already because I wasn't sure if I wanted to take a break on doing my hair. So I might just keep my hair brown for the time being, and then for my birthday I might add like some highlights or like do like a brown blonde balayage or something. And I also recently cut my hair, so I took off like about like this much off my hair. So right now I'm gonna avoid using heat as much as possible, only when I need to. So for the most part only use heat once a week. But yeah, so I just washed my hair and I dried it. So make sure when you want to do this, you want to like keep your hair like about like 90 to 95% dry. You don't want it too wet or too dry. So I think I might just add like a little bit of water to my hair because it's a little bit drier than I want it to be. Let me not talk too much and let me just get right into this video. So what you will need for this is, I just got this little water bottle thingy and just filled it with water. So it's like this spray, something to like hold your hair, I guess, or something like a hair clip or whatever. And then the most important thing is these right here. It's like these flexible hair rods, so you can just bend them. It's like this suede material, which is like really good for your hair. So it comes in 3, and I got this off of Amazon, so I'm gonna like link it down in my Amazon storefront. So far this is like my favorite method of doing heatless curls. It's like really easy and convenient, and it only takes like about less than 10 minutes to do this. The curls last up for about a couple days, and of course throughout the week it will loosen up a bit, but the curls turn out like super nice. This is what my hair is looking like right now. So what you want to do is section your hair into 3 parts. So what I like to do is I use my thumbs and then I section it like this. So I'm going to use my comb. And yeah, do you guys remember when I used to do the sock curls? Surprisingly, this method is way more comfortable to sleep in with than the sock curls, because the sock curls goes like on the side and this just go like that. Use a hair tie and then just tie the back. Just spray a little bit of water. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like twist it like this, and I'm gonna use this hair clip and just put it like that, so then the hair doesn't like go anywhere. I'm gonna like start from the end, and instead of rolling it like this way, like this, twist the ends first. So it's gonna be twisted like that, and then make sure you hold the ends and then wrap it up like this. Make sure it's like tight. And I'm gonna take off the hair clip, and then what you want to do is just make it twist it like that, and then clip it onto the clip like that. So there you have it. This is how it's supposed to look like. It's like this little bun. So I'm gonna do the same steps, which is I'm gonna use my thumb and then I'm gonna go like that and section it. So it don't have to be perfect, just as long as you have like 3 sections. So I'm just gonna tie this off. So I'm just gonna like wet it a little bit. So I'm gonna look down so I can do this properly. So I'm gonna twist the roots like that, and I'm using my hair clip. Hopefully y'all can see this, and then I'm gonna grab the second one, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist the ends. So I'm gonna wrap my hair like that, the ends first. Make sure I have every hair. And then I'm gonna begin rolling it inwards. And then taking off the clip. Alright, so now the last section, I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna wet it a little bit. So I'm gonna twist the back and then clip it. I'm gonna start from the ends and then twist it. This is what they look like after finishing. So you got 3 right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab like 3 clean pair of socks I haven't worn, and I'm gonna like put them over the little buns so they can be more secure overnight, because I don't want the clips to be undone and then the whole hair just come off. Alright guys, so I got these 3 socks right here, and it also makes it tighter too. The sock can also like soak up like the extra like wetness, if you know what I mean, like the extra, like if it's like too wet or something, the sock can like absorb the water. Just gonna put this. Yeah, so this is definitely more comfortable to sleep in at night, because I usually sleep on the side or like the back, and the back is like flat and it has like a little cushion. I'm gonna leave this on overnight and then I'm gonna take it off in the morning. Alright guys, so it's the next day now and I'm about to take off these curls, and overall these were like comfortable to sleep in. I was sleeping throughout the whole night, so now I'm ready to take these off, yeah, because I look like a hot mess. Okay. So I'm gonna just roll it like that sideways. I can already tell that there's gonna be like a lot of volume in my hair. Ooh. Hair a bit. Yeah, look at my hair. Oh my gosh! Look at how big my hair looks like. And here's the back. But whenever I do these curls, they last me throughout the whole week for like a couple days, and it like the curls loosen up a little bit and it creates that like loose waves. And what I also like about this method is that it doesn't make your hair look weird. Sometimes when I do my sock curls, my hair, like the roots, like it looks weird, like sometimes it's flat and then curly, but for this it's like the top is like it has volume, so it doesn't look weird because like we're rolling it like inwards. Like yo, I'm so freaking obsessed. If you guys want any more like hair videos or like heatless, you know, methods and styles, let me know down in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, that will help a lot, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already. So I'm just gonna end this video right here and I'll see you guys in my next one. I love y'all so much. Peace out.